under the direction of Leah Kirchhoff and Lakin Puckett, presenting their program, Firemen, we welcome the ladies of Sigma Sigma Sigma.
I think of everything Christy. Kristen.
Lord Almighty, I feel my temperature rising. Ooh. Higher, higher, it's burning through to my soul. Ooh. Girl, 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 you're gonna set me on fire. Ooh. My brain is flaming, I don't know which way to go. Ooh. Your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of a choir. You light my morning sky with burning love. Somebody call 911.
What?
Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa, I gotta cool her down. She gon' bring the roof to ground on the dance floor. Whoa, she's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shawty's fire burning on the dance floor. She's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shawty's fire burning on the dance floor. Fire burning, fire burning.
Yeah, Julia. Hey, girls.
Wants nails black. She wants a toy in the track. She wants to ride the bull at the rodeo. She wants to wear my shirt, bitch. She wants to make every step ahead. Drive around in my truck with no place to go.
Feel that fire, the one that lets her know for sure she's everything I wanted for her real desire. Is to know I'd walk alone out on the wire to make her feel that fire. Hiding.
Christy.
And a little bit of, and a little bit of,
Christy, too.
and a little bit of, and a little bit of. I said, it's getting hot in here. We're burning up this thing. Sigma's getting so hot, it's all campus
My fire, the one desire her belief when